Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin yung series natin on proof by mathematical induction. In this video, we prove that 2 raised to n is greater than n squared for all natural numbers n greater than or equal to 5. No? Hindi siya katulad sa mga previous example natin na nagsimula sa 1. No? So, ibig sabihin, ite-test muna natin yung 5 doon sa basis step natin. Okay, so for the basis step, we show that P sub 5 is true. Ibig sabihin, we test if the inequality is true for n equals 5. So meaning is 2 to the 5th greater than 5 squared. Ang 2 to the 5th is 32. Ang 5 squared ay 25. So therefore, P sub 5 is true. Pangalawa, yung ating induction step, show that if P sub k is true, then P sub k plus 1 is also true. Ano ibig sabihin ng P sub k? Di ba pinapalitan lang natin yung n ng k at yung P sub k plus 1, pinapalitan lang natin yung n ng k plus 1. So meaning, yung ating assumption dito is that 2 raised to k is greater than k squared. So we assume 2 raised to the k is greater than k squared. And ang kailangan natin ipakita, P sub k plus 1 is also true. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng k dito, gagawin natin k plus 1. So meaning, we need to show that 2 raised to the k plus 1 is actually greater than k plus 1 squared. Ito yung kailangan nating palabasin. Paano natin yan palalabasin? Kailangan natin yung 1 dito, di ba? So, paano natin makukuha yung 2 raised to k plus 1? We can multiply both sides by 2. So, magiging 2 times 2 to the k is greater than 2k squared, di ba? So, minultiply ko lang both sides by 2. Now, we know na ang 2 ay may exponent siya na 1. And gamit ang law of exponent, yung 2 to the first power times 2 to the k is actually 2 to the 1 plus k, di ba? Which is pag binaliktad natin, magiging 2 to the k plus 1. So meaning, this is 2 to the k plus 1 is greater than 2k squared. Now, solve na tayo dun sa left-hand side, no? Kasi pareho na silang 2 raised to k plus 1. Ang kailangan natin ngayon, mailagay natin to sa right-hand side, yung k plus 1 quantity squared, no? So pag in-expand natin yung k plus 1 quantity squared, we have k plus 1 quantity squared is equal to k squared plus 2k plus 1. That's squaring a binomial, no? Pag naipakita natin na 2k squared is actually greater than k squared plus 2k plus 1, if a is greater than b and b is greater than c, di ba? Maipakita natin that a is greater than c, which means that 2 to the k plus 1 is greater than k plus 1 squared. So, kailangan natin maipakita ito kasi alam na natin na a is greater than b. Kailangan natin ipakita is b is greater than c. So, dito tayo maglalaro sa 2k squared is greater than k squared plus 2k plus 1. So, sinabi natin kanina, ito yung b kunwari, tapos ito yung c. So, b is greater than c. Paano natin mapapakita yan na b is greater than c? So, if b is greater than c, if we subtract c from both sides, so b minus c is greater than c minus c, then b minus c is greater than 0. So, magiging 0 yung right-hand side. Meaning, if I subtract this from this, no? Pag naipakita ko na greater than 0 yan, then I know that 2k squared is greater than k squared plus 2k plus 1. Okay, so sige nga, i-minus nga natin. If we subtract c from both sides, meaning we subtract k squared plus 2k plus 1 from both sides, so magiging 2k squared minus k squared plus 2k plus 1 is greater than yung k squared plus 2k plus 1 minus itself. So, magiging 0 ito. So, hindi pa natin alam yan, di ba? Kung greater than 0 ba siya. Pwede natin i-simplify, di ba? So, magiging 2k squared minus k squared minus 2k minus 1 is greater than 0. So, 2k squared minus k squared is k squared. And then minus 2k minus 1 is greater than 0. Now remember, yung pinakamababang value natin ng k ay 5. So pag ang k ay 5, 5 squared minus 2 times 5 minus 1 is greater than 0. Diba? So magiging 25 minus 10 minus 1 is greater than 0. That's 25 minus 11 is greater than 0. Pinakamababa na yon. Ngayon, pag ginawa pa nating mas malaki, pag ginawa nating 6, magiging 36 ito, magiging 12 na lang ito. So, palaki ng palaki yung value ng k. Meaning, talaga magpa-positive yan kasi mas malaki itong leading term, no? Doon sa dalawang terms na 2k minus 1. So, palagi itong greater than 0. Now, this means that 2k squared is greater than k squared plus 2k plus 1. So, meaning, 2k squared is greater than k squared plus 2k plus 1. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ulitin ko, if a is greater than b and b is greater than c, then by the transitive property of inequality, a is greater than c. So 2 raised to the k plus 1 is greater than k squared plus 2k plus 1. Pero ano nga ulit yung k squared plus 2k plus 1? That's k plus 1 quantity squared, which is precisely what we want to show. This means that if p sub k is true, then p sub k plus 1 is also true. Therefore, p sub n is true for all n greater than or equal to 5. So meaning, yung p sub n natin, yun yung ano natin, di ba? Ito yung 2 to the n is greater than n squared. Ibig sabihin, na-prove na natin siya. So ang n dito, syempre, integers. Kalimutan natin. Alright, so that's it. Sana ay nag-educate kayo dito sa ating tutorial. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. I'll see you in the next video.